Welcome to another exciting Photoshop tutorial. This is our model. I'm going to select this one by using subject selection. Just click on select, then click on subject. So this one is selected and press Ctrl C Ctrl V. Okay, then again select this one by using quick selection tool. So directly select this image. After selection, click on selection and modify, expand, make this one 6% or 6 pixel, then press OK. Then select this layer and go to edit, fill and content aware, then press OK. So this one is you can get a clean background. Deselect this one, just visible this layer again, and increase the size of your background by using crop tool. I think this one is perfect. Okay, then press OK. Select rectangle marquee tool, select this layer and also select this layer and go to edit and select fill and content aware. It's take little bit time and you can first select this layer and go to edit, fill and content aware. It takes little bit time and you can get the perfect result. So you can get the result. Deselect this one, take your image. So this one is our image and I'm going to select this one by using razor tool. You can also use pen tool. So just select this one, after selection just place this one in your new image or your model image. Take this layer upside, place this one perfectly, take little bit time, make opacity 42%. You can see the complete things. Hold shift and stretch this one. Okay, I think this one is perfect for my art, this position. Go to edit, transform and select warp tool and stretch this one little bit. Okay, this one is really great. Select mask, go to brush and apply this. Select soft brush, then apply this. Okay, then select again, transform and go to warp, adjust this one. So this one is completed, and select this layer again and apply mask. So almost your burning effect is ready. Next I'm going to add some red effect. So this is our second image, so I'm going to select this one by using lasso tool. You can also choose pen tool. So I'm going to select this one with this tool. So I just complete my selection and place this one. Okay, and go to blending mode and select multiply. Add this one like this. Okay, and again duplicate this one and place this one in that portion, and this time I'm going to colorize this one. So I'm going to take a blank layer, go to solid color, red, clipping mask. Okay, and select this one as a linear dodge. Okay, this one is selected. Merge both layer and again multiply this one, hold this one and select blending mode and hold Alt key and adjust this light. Okay, so this one is completed. I'm going to select one more time hue saturation, clipping mask, increase, okay, so this one is done. Duplicate this one, apply on this portion, also again duplicate this one and apply this area. Okay, okay, so this one is completed. Our next work is I'm going to add some smoke. So I generally use a smoke brush. So these are my smoke brush. I'm going to select this one and decrease the brush by using bracket key and add a smoke, make little bit gray. Okay, and apply this one. Take a blank layer and apply this one. Oh, sorry, foreground color and apply. Then take a mask, go to brush and remove this extra area. Okay, again select this one, go to duplicate, and this time I'm going to use blending mode. Okay, so my friend, my work is almost done and ashes are really visible good. Okay, and you can also add some extra effect and duplicate this one and add like this. It's provide you an amazing broken look. So this one is done, and if you want to convert this one, just go to adjustment layer, select hue saturation and decrease the saturation little bit, not so much. Okay, so this one is done. So, and March the complete layer by using Shift Ctrl Alt plus E. Right click, convert this one to a smart object, go to filter, camera raw, and increase the saturation first. It changes the whole color, and go to detail and increase the sharpness, then press OK, and you can get the perfect result. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.